We're going to talk about this B3000 Kubota setup with the snowblower and the box scraper. There aren't too many people that I've seen use a box scraper in combination with the blower for snow removal. But on a gravel driveway, I found this combination works really well. The reason for that is you can set the box scraper up so that the leading blade hovers about a ½ an inch high, and the trailing blade just kind of mushes the snow into the gravel, and it makes for a really nice thin ice pack the first couple times you need to clean, and keeps the blower from digging in and spitting a lot of rocks. First few times during the season, I'll set the shoes on the blower up a little bit so that it's holding it up, and I'll clean up with the box scraper. And once we get a nice ice pack, then I'll adjust the upper length and allow that leading blade to scratch a little bit. It works really well. The other thing I've done to avoid having the blower dig into the gravel is to add some bungee cords so that when you put the tractor in float, the weight of the blower is a little bit less. It's applying less downforce on those shoes, and it doesn't dig into the aggregate nearly as much. So it's a nice setup. It's worked great. This is the first season that I've used it. Absolutely love it. It's nice to be able to pull away from buildings with the box blade and then carry that material to a uniform spot, clean that up with the blower later. A back blade would accomplish some of the same things, but I really like the way that I can establish that initial thin ice pack. Makes for a nice smooth driveway for the whole winter, and then once we get a warm up like this and things start to thaw up, the next snow, I can set this back up and kind of smear that ice pack back in. So hopefully that explains a little bit about why I selected this setup, and thanks for listening.